I think the first word is planning. And planning in chess, there is a whole concept of you create a plan, but the beauty of chess is that your plan is meeting somebody else's plan that potentially changes your plan. And in technology, when you design a solution, when you implement software in a workplace, you start with a plan. But as we say also, and this is coming from the military, the plan always changes when you actually doing it. So there is something about creating the plan. And I think the beauty of chess, when you get to that level that you actually say, okay, I have a plan, I'm going to attack on this area, but then surprise, my opponent decides to attack on the same area, or maybe actually attack in a different area, and I have to react.